The brutal truth about Africa's most fearless monkey. What if I told you there's a monkey that lives in a world ruled by violence, loyalty, betrayal, and power? A monkey that can take down a leopard. A monkey with razor-sharp teeth. A monkey society so political, it feels more like a medieval kingdom than a group of animals. This is the world of the baboon. And once you understand how they live, you'll never look at monkeys the same way again. What exactly is a baboon? It's a primate with a dog-like snout, powerful build, and complex social groups. They live in large troops using calls and gestures and adaptable. Baboons are large primates that belong to the genus Papio. They are not small jungle monkeys swinging from trees. They are ground-dwelling warriors of the African savanna. There are 5 main species of baboons: olive baboon, yellow baboon, chacma baboon, Guinea baboon, Hamadryas baboon. They live mainly in Africa, while the Hamadryas baboon is also found in parts of the Arabian Peninsula. They are ground-dwelling warriors of the African savanna. There are 5 main species of baboon: olive baboon, yellow baboon, chacma baboon, Guinea baboon, Hamadryas baboon. They live mainly in Africa, while the Hamadryas baboon is also found in parts of the Arabian Peninsula. Adult males can weigh up to 90 pounds and grow massive canine teeth that are longer than a lion's claws. But their true power is not just physical, it's social.
Birth and early life.
A mother tenderly cares for her newborn, beginning the journey of life in the wild. This nurturing bond ensures the infant's survival and growth. A baboon's life begins after about 6 months of pregnancy. The newborn is tiny, fragile, and completely dependent on its mother. In the beginning, the baby clings tightly to its mother's chest. After a few weeks, it moves to ride on her back. But here's something fascinating. Baboon mothers are extremely protective. If another baboon tries to harm the baby, the entire troop can react violently. Infants grow up surrounded by complex social rules. From a young age, they must understand who is dominant, who to avoid, who to trust. Playtime isn't just fun, it's training for survival. Baboon troops can range from 20 to over 100 members, and their society is built on hierarchy. At the top, dominant males. These alpha males fight constantly to maintain power. And when I say fight, I mean brutal, bloody battles with sharp teeth and powerful bites. But dominance is not permanent. A stronger male can challenge the alpha at any moment. If the alpha loses, he falls instantly in rank. Sometimes, when a new male takes over, he may even kill the infants of the previous dominant male to bring females back into breeding condition. But in the wild, survival comes before emotion. And this is where it gets interesting. Females build lifelong alliances with their mothers, sisters, and daughters. Are more stable and powerful than male dominance. Grooming plays a huge role in bonding. When baboons groom each other, it's not just about cleaning fur. It's about trust, loyalty, politics. If a baboon refuses to groom you, that's a message. Life for a baboon is not peaceful. Their enemies include lions, leopards, hyenas, crocodiles. But baboons don't run easily. There are recorded cases of baboons injuring leopards. They survive by intelligence, teamwork, and aggression. Food is also a daily struggle. They eat fruits, seeds, insects, birds, and sometimes even small antelopes. They are opportunistic omnivores. If food is scarce, conflict inside the troop increases. Because in the wild, hunger changes everything. When a female is ready to mate, her body shows visible signs of fertility. High-ranking males usually get priority access. But clever lower-ranking males sometimes form friendships with females. They protect them from other males. In return, when the time is right, they mate. It's a game of power, patience, and timing. Some males even babysit infants to gain the mother's trust. Some males even babysit infants to gain the mother's trust. Some males even babysit infants to gain the mother's trust. In baboon society, intelligence often beats strength. Baboons are incredibly intelligent. It is a strategist, a fighter, a parent. A politician. Its world is filled with loyalty and betrayal. In many ways, baboon society mirrors human society more than we'd like to admit. And maybe that's what makes them so fascinating. Because when we look at baboons, we might be looking at a reflection of ourselves.